just to finish up from my last video to cover everything that I didn't cover after reviewing the video and realizing I had to cut it short. So when we're looking at the ear canal, obviously this is your external part of your ear, but when you go in, you have three main bones. When you're going in the ear, you have your malleus, which is this one. He looks like a glob. Your incus, and then you have your stapes. I printed off these photos because I wasn't able to get back to the skull to finish the video to show you everything I missed. So the best example that I could find, I highlighted in green everything I wanted to cover. When we're looking at the skeleton, the bone that I don't think it was on the skeleton at the college, but this is your hyoid. It's a floating bone. It's in your neck. And then when we're coming over here, let me grab my pen. I wanted to make sure I covered that these are your zygomatic, which are like your cheekbones. Your zygomatic. And I also want to preference this video by saying in my other video that everything I showed you on one side had the same thing on the other side, except for the sternum and the sacrum and the coccyx. Those are all just one, but everything else has the exact copy on the other side. So let's move on to this. I highlighted in green the ethmoid bone. So the ethmoid bone, you can see when you're looking in here, it contains like the lacrimal bone, some of inside of here. When you're looking at here, there's your lacrimal. And then when you split it in half, you can see it the best, but just like you have I feel like I have to sneeze, excuse me. But this is your ethmoid, That's why you have your perpendicular plate of the ethmoid. You have your crista galla of the ethmoid. You have your cerviform plate of the ethmoid. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And then when we move over here, this is your sphenoid. You got that saddle. You can see it in the eyes. When you cut it in half, it's right underneath. Like this is your temporal, this is your sphenoid, and then from the back, you can see parts of it. That covers everything that I didn't cover in my last video because I had to cut it short because there was another class that was coming in. So that's everything, and then I will submit my drawings that contain all the landmarks of these bones.